Hey everyone, are you ready to settle the ultimate flooring showdown? Today, it's all about wood look porcelain tiles versus wood look vinyl planks. Hi, I'm Julie Ireland, an interior design architect and the founder of Home Renovation School. Whether you're renovating or just dreaming about new floors, I'm going to teach you the basics of what you need to know to help you make the best choice for your family. First up, Tile Mart Century Wood Look Porcelain Tiles. These tiles from the Century collection are stunning with their realistic wood look and style. Crafted from high-quality porcelain, these planks are not just about looks, they're incredibly durable. In fact, they're scratch-resistant. This is because porcelain tiles are fired at high temperatures, making them denser and more resistant to wear and tear. This includes being waterproof and extremely resistant to staining, which makes them perfect for busy households with kids and pets, especially in areas like kitchens and bathrooms where moisture is common. Porcelain tiles are louder and generally more expensive than vinyl, both in terms of material and installation cost. This is due to their weight and the need for specialized tools for cutting and fitting, but the end result is always gorgeous. Now let's talk about vinyl, starting with Tile Mart's Cyrus collection. This collection is offered in both standard and XL plank sizes, and the best part, it comes in 31 different colors and grain designs. Vinyl planks are cost-effective and easy to install. Many options come with click and lock design that allows for floating installation, which DIY enthusiasts love. Vinyl is exceptionally water resistant, similar to porcelain tile. However, it can be less resistant to heavy loads and susceptible to punctures from sharp objects, which is something that you're really going to want to consider. Here are the key factors that I want you to consider before making your decision. Climate. Porcelain handles freeze-thaw conditions better, making it suitable for all climates. Vinyl, although super durable, can be sensitive to extreme temperature changes. Traffic. High traffic areas benefit from porcelain scratch resistance. Budget. Vinyl is generally more affordable and offers quicker DIY installation, which can save on labor costs. Aesthetics. Both options provide a wide range of looks and finishes, so it comes down to your personal preference and the specific style of each product line. Ease of installation. With their tongue and groove click-in system, vinyl flooring is a breeze to install, while porcelain typically requires mortar and grouting for proper installation. Here's a pro tip. There can be some subtle differences in the look depending on the time of the day. So, if you can, it's super important to order a box of the material you're thinking about buying first. Lay it out on the floor in the space that you want to install it and look at it in the morning, noon, and evening light. It looks very different as a small piece and up close rather than down on the floor the way you're going to see it each day. Educated decisions are the best decisions, and we're here to help. If you have any questions about any of our products, please reach out to us at tilemart.com. We love our customers and we love becoming a part of your life's journey. Be sure to like, follow, comment, and subscribe. Your insights really could help other customers, and we want to hear from you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.